Voices in my head, I'm scared of now. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your life. So don't let them steal your life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This one's gonna be a fun one. It's something different, something new. You know, 2018 is the year for change and trying new things. This video was highly requested by a few of my subscribers. If you are subscribed to me already, then you'll know that last year for Halloween I did an ISABELLE LIGHTWOOD cosplay kind of Halloween look. And the runes that I did were a big hit, so this video is gonna be a how-to on how I did my Shadowhunter runes. They last all day. They are waterproof, budge-proof, smudge-proof, heat-proof. So that's what you want. You could even get away with wearing them for a couple of days even. My technique, I've done a lot of research, being that Shadowhunters is a huge part of my life. I really love the books, the TV show, the movie. I really love that world, and for me to have created Isabelle last year for Halloween was amazing, and it was so much fun. I tried to find the best way possible to create my runes, and I think I found it. Well, it works for me, so I hope that it will work for you too. So I'm gonna share my secrets with you guys. As you can see, they literally last all day. They don't come off. In the video, I will show you running underwater and everything like that in detail, how I did them. If you're interested in finding out how I put everything together and created them, then please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This one's a bit of a DIY. I'm going to be showing you how I do my Shadowhunter runes. Here I'm just showing you to start off with clean hands, and you might want to cover your table or workspace with paper or something that you won't mind getting dirty. So these are some of the products that I'll be using: a rubbing alcohol that I put in a spray bottle, some cotton wipes, a mixing palette, translucent powder, some makeup brushes with a fine point or thickness, it depends, some liquid eyeliner, a gel pen, and some tracing paper, and definitely, of course, the runes. It doesn't matter how big or small you want them. Here's just a recap of what you'll need. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay guys, while I'm putting stuff away, I just want to mention that when you find a rune on the internet, make sure you put it in Word or Pages if you have a Mac, and you want to flip the image. You can make it as big as you want or small, it doesn't matter what rune you want, whether you want the Fearless or Iratzi or Angelic rune, either one, just make sure you flip the image in reverse. Otherwise, when you put it on your skin, if you're just doing it the normal way, it's going to come out looking back to front, and that's not what you want. So make sure to flip the image as I'm showing you there, make sure it's back to front basically, print it out, and then you can use it. Here I'm showing that for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the smaller one, just for the sake of the video. Okay, so you want to grab your tracing paper, place it down on top of the rune, and then trace an outline onto it with pencil. As you can see, I've already done it. Okay, once you've done that, you want to cut out the rune. So you're left with a square with a rune on it, whether it's a small rune or a bigger rune, it doesn't matter. And then you want to prepare your rubbing alcohol, which you're going to use to cleanse whatever the part is, wherever you're putting the rune, whether it be your wrist, chest, arm, neck even. You just want to make sure that you spray a little bit, wipe it off with some cotton wipes so that it takes away any oil or dirt, so you're working with a clean surface. Once you're done doing that, you just want to grab your rune and a black gel pen which you're going to use to retrace over the rune shape. Basically, you want to draw onto it so it has that layer of gel ink on it.
Listen up. It's never too late to change your life. So don't let them steal your light. Don't let them break your stride. There is light on the other side, and you'll see all the raindrops falling.
Once you're done doing that, you want to grab your rubbing alcohol once more, and you want to spray it in the exact same spot, give it a quick wipe, and then place that rune on top of it, ink side facing your skin. Just make sure you press gently, just so it kind of tattoos itself onto your skin. It won't take long, and then just peel it off, and you can see you're left with an outline of the rune. Pretty straightforward, simple, basic. This works for small runes, bigger runes, anywhere you want to put it. This is what you're going to be left with. Then you want to grab your mixing palette and your liquid liner. Here I'll be using the liquid liner in black from Senegence called iSense. I love this eyeliner personally. It works for me. I love it because it's waterproof, it lasts all day, smudge proof, budge proof, heat resistant, you name it, it's great. But you could just as easily use a liquid liner that you trust and that you believe works and is long lasting and all that cool stuff. Then you want to take a makeup brush with a fine point because you're going to use it to outline your rune and fill it in. You could also do a second layer, as I will be showing you further on in the video. Once you're done with your second coat, you can pretty much just fan it off, make sure it's fully dry, which really doesn't take that long at all. After a couple of seconds, it will basically be dry enough, and then you can grab your translucent powder. I'll be using my NYX HD setting powder. I love this powder, it's one of my favorite ones, but you can use any kind of translucent setting powder that you favor. Then you want to take a fluffy brush and just apply the translucent powder onto the rune just to set it. You can apply a couple of coats of it if you like. It's not going to do any harm. It's just going to basically set it in place and it won't budge or smudge. As you can see in the next couple of clips, I'll be swiping it and trying to smudge it and it will not budge. You can even get away with wearing it for a couple of days and it won't budge. In the next clip, I'll also show you running it underwater and then trying to smudge it and it doesn't budge whatsoever. It's great. And yeah. All products used will be listed in the down bar for you guys to retrace, recap, check out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see your creations using this video. Remember to hashtag Lucky's Shadowhunter Runes. Love you guys. Happy shadow hunting, beauties. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that that was informative and helpful for any of you guys wanting to cosplay Isabelle or Clary or any type of Shadowhunter whatsoever. I hope that this video helps you. If you want to follow me on Instagram, then all social media will be in the links below. Check it out and hashtag Lucky's Shadowhunter Runes. It will be here or there. Hashtag that so then I can check out your creations. I'd love to see them. I can't wait to see you guys try it out. And yeah, I would love to have inspired somebody and helped somebody create runes for their cosplays or their makeup looks, etc. The support means the world to me that you guys watch my videos. It means the world to me. So thank you guys so much for requesting this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any future videos. I have some amazing fun things coming up soon, so keep a lookout. Thank you so much, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and all that cool stuff. I'll see you in the next video.